Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to make a video for us. I want to give you a tutorial that material that I learned in IDN boarding school. So today we will learn about three things. That is EIGRP, and then there is distribute list, and then prefix list. So we'll make a configuration about three that. So before that, I wanna give you an expression a little bit about EIGRP. EIGRP is an interior gateway routing protocol. So it was a routing protocol that used dynamic routing protocol, and he is use a method like design vector and also link state. So he used hybrid. So without any further ado, let's go to the lab. The first lab is basic of EIGRP. Let's go. We start the lab. I want to make sure first. Okay, let's start the lab. So in the router one, R1, we can make some host name first, and also make the IP about this interface. Now shut down. We'll use the easy one. Okay, done. And also we will make a loopback. Loopback is for testing, but yeah, we can use it. Interface loopback. IP add. Done. In the first router, we have done from making an IP address. Then we make the router EIGRP. This is the simple one of EIGRP. You can write router EIGRP or AE. It's like EIGRP, and then this is the AS number, 10. In EIGRP, the AS number is have to same. If the AS number is not same, then the EIGRP is will not connect from the router one to the other router. Then we just only one command, network 000 0000. That means this all network. We just enter it and then exit. Don't forget to do right or make it safe. What is 000? 000 is all network. So if you have network A, you have network B, you have network C, and you just make network like in EIGRP like it. So all of your network will advertise to EIGRP. Then let's go to the next, to router 2. Router 2, we can go configuration terminal, make an host name, and then go to interface 00, shut down, add some IP 12.12.2. Then don't forget IP loopback. Interface A01. Now shut down, IP add 2023. Don't forget IP loopback. Interface loopback. IP add. Oops. Then the last is only we make an EIGRP router EIGRP 10 network 00 and oh my god, and the EIGRP is already connect agency with the first one. See, the first one. All of this we already make this one, and then 23 and also 2 is already advertised with network 000. Then don't forget exit and do right. Do right, and then the last is on the router 3. Configuration now, host router 3, interface A01, no shutdown, IP add 23 and 3. Then exit, and don't forget to add some loopback. IP add 3. Okay, and on like that. And then last, we have to advertise at EIGRP router A10 net is network 00000, and it's already adjacency in here. See, adjacency, and router 2 is already adjacency. Don't forget exit and then do right. Then how we test? Maybe we'll ping from the router 1 to the Ethernet, right? But we have IP loopback, so we will ping the loopback. Ping the loopback of router 3 is 333. Yeah, the EIGRP is done. So how to check if our EIGRP is success? It's in the show IP. Show IP route EIGRP, and then it's all of the network that's connected is in here. The deflect is EIGRP here. So for the first material, EIGRP is done. Then we can next to the second material. It's about filtering distribute list. Okay, so our target is I don't want this IP loopback of router 2. It's I don't want this IP is in this router table, so I want this IP is missing or get blocked in router table of router 1. So how? We have to go to router 1, then configuration terminal, and then we will use an access list. Access list 1, access list 1, deny 22222, and make one more for permit any. That means is in the router 1 we don't want this IP. It's there is in routing table, and except 2.2.2 is permit. So it's on easy, right? After that we can check again. Do show IP route A is done. Do you think it's done? Don't forget why this IP is still there is because we not yet advertise to router EIGRP. So how to advertise is only like is router EIGRP 10, and then distribute list, and then one in A01. So this is from router 1, so we will choose in is in here. So if there is IP 222, he want to in routing table of router 1, he will get deny, and except 2.2.2 is permit. After this we can check again. Do show IP route A0, and then we have to wait first. Yeah, I'm very fast, but we have to wait first. Then after there is a notification like this, so the IP 2.2.2.2 will miss or will block by router 1. But when we check router 2, we show IP route route A, there is still, because we only block at router 1. So and then we just remove it. No access list 1, then deny, and then no access list 1, permit any. and then go to router A10. No, this attribute list 1 in. So that waiting for a notification, and then we can check to show IP root EIGRP. Then the IP is still, or the IP is back again. So that was the distribute list of filtering. So we can next to the last material is prefix list. It's same. It's not very different with distribute list, but in prefix list we will block that specific prefix. So we have to make so many, maybe we will make many IP loopback with the different prefix. So without any further ado, let's go. We have to make this. We already make interface loopback 1, interface loopback 0 with the IP is 3.3.3.3. So we'll make another interface loopback 1 IP at how many? Maybe we will choose 3, 11, and then 255, maybe. Wait, I will skip this part because I have to make many about IP loopback. So just wait. So we have done for making many address. You can see in the show run. We already make many IP loopback here. We make some 6 IP loopback here with the difference prefix like this. This is 25.5, 240, 248, 224, and 252, and last is 214. So we just go to the next. We can see right in this router, we can see do show IP root A. There is so many IP loopback that we make in router 3. So we'll make maybe after we check we already have many. So let's go to the router 2. We have to config in here, config, and then follow my IP prefix list, and then this is for the name EIGRP in, and then sec 10. Then we can ask for deny. I'm deny about network 330.24 until 28, like this. This is the comment. So IP prefix EIGRP in second 10. We will deny about the network is 3.3.3 from the prefix is 24 until 28, and then we have to permit prefix list, and then EIGRP, EIGRP out is for the name only. Sequence, no, I think it's sequence 20, and then permit all network, all network with okay. So in the out we'll permit all network that the prefix is except this prefix from 24 until 28. So the prefix except this, it's accept or allowed to go to IP root. So after that, don't forget to apply this on router EIGRP. Router EIGRP 10. Router EIGRP 10, and then we have to, and this is in router strike, distribute list, and then you have to distribute list prefix. Nah, and then you have to apply EIGRP in, and then don't forget as in. So we will apply the comment that we make about prefix EIGRP in. After that, we can check on the router one. Do show IP root. Oh my god, root A. See, we can see that every IP loopback that that in router tree, IP loopback of router tree is missing. Not only that, right? So we block all of them because his prefix is like this. So we block all of them. Okay, maybe I think that's all that I can give you about the module that I learned in here. Sorry if there is any mistake or there is a trouble, or if there is wrong configuration or this missing for not clear. So I think that's all. Sorry if there is any mistake. I'm Muhammad Salman. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.